after you boil the meat, you're gonna drain the water and put it aside like this. You're gonna put it aside, and then you're gonna fry it in the oil. So you don't want to keep the oil. You have to, after I fry it, this is the oil there. Put it on the side and then put it on a separate plate. And I'm gonna add onions and some tomatoes and shallots. Remember I said we're gonna add the onions and the shallots at the end to make the sauce. So there we go. And then we're gonna add the sauce. Okay, and on this one, since the sauce already has all the ingredients that you need, if you need to add a little bit more salt, you can do so. And this will conclude the video how to make chicken the Haitian way. And the chicken looks yummy. It smells really good. And I'm cooking this with black rice and mushroom, and I used my leftover mushroom that I did the other rice with mushroom. So you know, I didn't throw away the mushroom. I reuse it again, so you can reuse it again, you know, and make another rice. And this one is the Julie John John, or rice with black mushroom. And this video will conclude at how to make chicken the Haitian way with black rice. Thank you.